that were called on them to start this ball game as Devron Benitez powers his way to bounce, thinking that he is supposed to be the one to inbound the ball. On the attack is Benitez. Bounces out, gets the offensive rebound, and the putback. That's
The first season, you can see development from the players that we've seen before. That this guy.
Simula dito sa 2-3 zone itong JT Taipan Bulacan. So Benitez with a first try para dito sa Mekawayan. And actually nila first na at
ni Rinoa na missing daw ang star player ng Mekawayan. I wonder who that is. As Devron Benitez scores that pound-for-pound foul counted play, brought to you by Pound for Pound Fitness, the official fitness partner.
sa mini-series natin dito.
Oo.
Kumbaga nasa kanila na ngayon nakasalalay, makauwi.
Most of those technical fouls that were called on them to start this ball game as Devron Benitez powers his way to the basket. Goes to Mata. They're pushing the action again. Here's Devron with the basket.
Balik sa 5 dito, 3 minutes left. Tandaan nyo dito, nakalamang din na rin ng 5 itong Mekawayan dito sa game na to with 30-25.
Ulit ng Mekawayan. Dumael over to Benitez, and that is a basket. They retake the lead. Let's take another look at some high Mekawayan. They are enjoying a 7-point lead. Binali pa ni Benitez yung kanyang tira, hindi pumasok.
Wow!
The third try and the shimmy from. Take another look at that. Ito, pasok, foul, and I hope kuha yung shimmy niya. He already has 19 points. 20. Was able to get the ball across, pero wala talaga. Ito ulit, Devron Benitez. Take a look at that. Hindi niya ininda yung hinabol out of bounds, thinking that he is supposed to be the one to inbound the ball. On the attack is Benitez. Bounces out, gets the offensive rebound, and the putback. That's up. Pound for Pound Fitness, the official fitness partner of the junior King Thorns, 10-8. 30 seconds to go in the first quarter. Triple on the way, no good. That was Javier with the attempt. Devron Benitez with that layup.
For the points in the paint, Mekawayan.
Oh, from the three-point territory, Davao has 2. Mekawayan has not yet made a basket from beyond the arc. But Devron Benitez has 12 rebounds. He hopes to add to it. Mata going up, no good. Benitez with a putback, yes! Gets it over and gets it back. Oh, his 3 is in and out, but Benitez is there for the pound-for-pound foul counted move. Let's take another look at that. Devron Benitez already and he completes. Benitez over to Abellana, missing again. Benitez with a putback. Level above.
33rd turnover by Davao.
Here's Benitez underneath that, and he will make that basket. Here is Mekawayan. 3 on the way, no good. But Benitez once again with a pound-for-pound fitness foul counted play, and that. See what happened here. Oh, inadvertent, and make that 22 point.
They
Pulling
need
it
to be
back up.
smart here.
Benitez, oh my gosh, he's probably the complete package. Just Eliana, Yulo, sorry, this is Yulo. Downstairs to Benitez, yes!
Wow.
good to Hertez. Hertez pulls up for the jumper, no good. And Benitez once again for his 20th.
Sorry, this is Miguel Lizo rather.
That's the way you attack the press. You have to make them pay for pressing you.
Inside, operator picking up where he left off in that attack, but no foul as Lizo comes up with a rebound. Miguel come up with a steal. Benitez once again.
Just relentless in the tackle.
Head anticipated there by Riano. Pulling up. Won't go down. And another offensive rebound and put back. Another look. Yung activity nga nito ni Debron Benitez. You mentioned that kanina, Coach Noy. In full display.
Not, not yet well built, but with the way
Opening the scoring para dito sa Valenzuela. Debron Benitez doing
you can see will be the second player in double digits for Valenzuela.
Benitez straight away. Will get that to trickle in. Debron Benitez. Up by 1 now are the Archers after trailing by as much as 8. Benitez to the baseline. Really take another look at that move. Happened right in front of us. One against Valenzuela. They go to Benitez once again.
Oh, did, and that's why he was called for the travel.
Steal after steal. Can't hit. Look at Benitez. Out rebounding
The first season, you can see development from the players that we've seen before. That this guy, well, actually his name parang
Another pound for pound fitness foul counted move. Experience the pound effect. With Hertez naman sa kabila. Benitez showing us the stroke. Shooter's touch. Shooter's break.
that pressure defense.
Benitez wide open. Makes them pay.
Debron Benitez now showing off the outside.
Benitez asking for it. To get the ball to Debron. Bibitin pa. Nahirapan pa ni Debron. Will call for some time. Still just run. Stolen by Benitez once again. This time drops it off. Able to convert is Clark Javier. Had their moments. Up by 8 at one point in this game. As Debron Benitez.
He's averaging 19 points per game and has only played here in the fourth quarter.
As Debron Benitez, yet another.
One is any indication now. We ended December, so for all the fans of developmental basketball,